Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video for you. Something different this time. We're going to be doing a Flexi Rod set on my natural hair. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and for continuing to watch all my videos. Please can you make sure to hit subscribe, guys. Hit subscribe, support your girl. Hit subscribe and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Madonia. So let's get started on this Flexi Rod tutorial. Alright, so before we get started on the actual tutorial, I want to talk about how I prepped my hair to get this huge afro puff here, girl. Trust me, my shrinkage does not come out like this. So I am going to actually do this Flexi Rod set on freshly blow dried hair. I don't really use heat a lot on my hair, probably never. But I decided to do it on blow dried hair because I think it's going to be quicker in terms of drying. Because you know with a Flexi Rod set, you have to have it completely dry before you take out those Flexi Rods. So I thought maybe let's just cut some time and do it on freshly dried hair. So the first thing I did was I shampooed my hair, conditioned my hair, and moisturized. So I'm going to be using these two color Flexi Rods. This one is longer than this one, but in terms of the size, they're pretty much the same. The reason why I have these is because my hair was shorter when I tried it before, and then I had to go buy these because it's now longer. So I'll probably put the short ones in the back and then the long ones in the front just to get more of a defined curl in the front, hopefully. So these are the Flexi Rods that I'm using. So to set the Flexi Rod curls, I picked up this Cantu shea butter. It's for natural hair wave whip curling mousse. So after watching hours and hours of footage, it seems like mousse is the new trend in trying to do your Flexi Rods. Before it'd be like a curl cream. So I'm going to try it out and hopefully it brings out that defined curl from the Flexi Rod. Let's give it a try. So start off by putting the mousse on your hair, distributing it quite evenly. And then you're going to detangle as much as possible, especially at the ends, because the ends need to be very detangled so that they don't come out as a frizz when you take out your Flexi Rods. Secure your end of the Flexi Rod by tucking it under and doing a windmill motion as you go up with your hair and the Flexi Rod. Make sure to keep a distance in between the hair and the next part of your hair so you can really see the color of the Flexi Rod so you can get more of a defined curl. I hope that makes sense. Make sure to secure the ends and the top so that it doesn't fall out and it's very secured on your head. Okay, I have put in the Flexi Rods. As you can see, I did that windmill method, and now I don't have those home dryer thingy-majiggies. So I'm just gonna leave them in until it's dry. So maybe I'll be taking these down tomorrow morning after sleeping, but I think I did the method pretty good. Like I'm confident in how it's gonna turn out. But let's see, we're on this journey together, honey, cause like, woo! Flexi Rod can show you flames. But anyway, let's get this dry and I will come back with the results. Okay guys, so I slept in my rods, very uncomfortable, but you know, pain is beauty apparently. So now we're gonna take these things down and see if it actually worked. Pray with me, y'all. Here we go. You're going to undo your Flexi Rod and you're going to take it out in the exact same way that you put it in. You can see that I'm doing the windmill method in the opposite direction to keep the curl pattern. Not bad. Yay! Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, so the Flexi Rods are out. I think they came out pretty good, if I say so myself. And now we're gonna carefully pull them apart and pray that it's not a frizz ball when I do it. So keep on praying, guys. We are in this together. So I'm pulling quite small sections apart and I'm doing a twist motion to try and keep the curl pattern. As you can see, my ends are a little bit frizzy because when I took a shower, they got wet, so that's annoying. And also, I can definitely see I need to trim my ends. But other than that, the curl pattern is popping. Okay, cool. So I've separated all of the curls as much as I want to. Now it's time to shape this bad boy into something. But I think the curls came out really nicely. And my hair is super moisturized. So that Cantu foam spray, whatever, is the gal she thinks she is. Okay, now it's time to style and shape this hair. I'm just trying to create like kind of a mohawk situation, bringing a fringe curl in the front. So hopefully it comes out bomb.com. And voila, guys. I think my Flexi Rod was successful, yo. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you learned with me. I think I did a good job and I hope that you guys give it a try. And if you do, make sure you tag me. Let me know so I can watch your video and we can learn together. Make sure that you hit subscribe and comment below if you think I should have done something different, if you liked the video, and if you learned something from this video. Thank you guys so much again for watching and for being part of my Dzolls, my community. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @LeanderMadonia, and thank you so much for watching this. I will check you on the next one. Bye, dolls.